Hey, Gassing, Part 1.
When I was a kid and I was looking for 2 years old, man, I tried to take my life from the code. I didn't even know it 'cause I caught my mama in the streets doing drugs every day. Man, I had the same piece. And then my dad, he wasn't even around, and I told my same town, and I ran the same town. Man, I did everything. Man, I started gangbang. Man, I thought I signed up. Man, I had the family though. It's what is worth it, and now I didn't take it. Man, I wanted to kill niggas who didn't worth it. And they wasn't even worth it though. They was looking for it though, and I didn't need to, 'cause everybody worth it though. And when they talking about you wonder what the west side niggas go ahead, and I don't need nothing. Nigga, fuck you. And I gave up the haters who told me I wasn't true. Man, they talking about you didn't represent your flag though. Man, I got money and time and one side though. Man, I start crying like a motherfucker, dream in my head. I didn't fuck around and get my head in a span. Yeah, I did it always, spending on my money though, 'cause I'm taking all the money though, and I'm getting it and I'm spending it. And I'm just looking, nobody tell me though. I'm telling all my family how that money saying that, and I'm hating on that nigga Tiger, talking about he faded. I'm hating on that nigga Eminem, he talking about he hated it. Man, he talking he a white rapper. Nigga fucking around sack record. I don't give a fuck, nigga, you white. Who can rap better than me? Spin the cheek? Yeah, I do it all day 'cause I'm hitting it though. Man, I got this love though. Man, my heart broken too. Man, she talking about she loving me. I told her that. No, me. She talking about she with my homeboy. Nigga fucking around on the streets. Yeah, I do it every day. I did this. I'm always. Nigga, I'm true. I stay true to her. Nigga wanna go head too. Man, she told me she loved me. Fuck that, and I'm good too. Man, I fucked that bitch too many times. I told that bitch I'm cool. Man, she told me she wanted it. Then I got back. I still wanted it. Yeah, I did everything. I swear to God, I'm over it.